Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy land with minimal upfront capital, follow these step-by-step instructions to explore creative financing options for property acquisition. Step 1. Research seller financing opportunities where the property owner acts as the lender. This option often requires lower down payments and more flexible terms than traditional mortgages. Step 2. Look for land contract or contract for deed arrangements. These allow you to make payments directly to the seller while using the land, with the title transferring after full payment. Step 3. Explore lease-to-own options where you lease the land with an option to purchase. A portion of your rental payments may apply toward the eventual purchase price. Step 4. Investigate government programs and grants for first-time buyers or specific purposes like farming. USDA loans and local programs may offer zero-down options. Step 5. Consider partnering with investors or family members who can provide capital in exchange for equity or future profits from land development or resale. Step 6. Look for distressed or tax-delinquent properties at county auctions. Some jurisdictions allow payment plans for auction purchases with minimal initial deposits. Step 7. Build relationships with landowners and express interest before properties hit the market. Direct negotiations can lead to more favorable terms and creative financing arrangements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.